Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. My name is Brianna and I do all kinds of videos. Today I'm doing an unboxing and review for this Joytii LED UV nail lamp. And I did just go back and look on Amazon because that's where I got it from. And it says it's out of stock, but I'm gonna leave the link for it because there's still a link for it. But I'm also gonna link one that is just about identical. So right here I'm showing you like what's on the outside of the box, and you know, it just shows you like it's like basics, like it's an auto sensor. It has quick dry, non-blacken. I'm assuming that means it makes your hands not dark, and it has a timing and no harm to eyes. On the other side it says it's 82 watts, and it says it's 82 watts, but then it also says in another sentence on this same side of the box that it's 84 watts. So and it just goes to tell you like it's lifetime, like it says lifetime long lasting LED lamps. I doubt it's a lifetime lasting, but and yeah. Another side it tells you how many bulbs it has. It has 41 bulbs, and it tells you the type of electrical plug and its dimensions. Of course, the manual just shows you like what buttons do what, where to plug what in, and like its warnings. Its warnings are always unplug the nail dryer after finishing manicures. Do not look into do not look into the UV LED light, sorry. Do not use if pregnant. Just like a whole like list of warnings, I guess. I don't know. If you're buying one of these, I'm sure you know what your risks are. So I actually have used this one time on I did my daughter's nails. So I like the way it works, but you just see me trying to scratch a little bit of nail polish that she got off the top of it. But it's really cute. Inside is pink. You can see all the little lights. The like tray that's on the bottom can come off, so you can use it like on your feet too. And yeah, as you can see, it's, you know, censored, so when you put your hand in and take it out, like when you put your hand in, the light will come on. When you take it out, the lights will instantly go off. And you know, you have your settings of 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. So before I get into using this nail lamp, I am rubbing this mica that I have from one of my lip gloss kits. I'm just rubbing that on my nails because I wanted them to be a little bit more glittery. It is not a hollow dust or anything like that. It is just a really fine glitter that I wanted to rub onto my nails before I put a clear coat on top. And the glitter came from a lip gloss kit that I got from TKB Trading. If anybody is interested in that, you can go onto TKB Trading and purchase any of their micas or pigments or all of that. So I did that to both hands, and then I brought out my clear coat and I started to do a clear coat on my left hand, and I wasn't really too satisfied at how like shiny it was. So I ended up getting out a jelly polish that I mixed together. You can see me mix that together if you'd like in one of my first nail videos. It is my pink jelly nail video. I will either link it in the description or it will pop up in the cards on the video, so just look out for that. Anyways, the pink polish that I mixed this with was like a pink jelly polish, so it made my top coat a whole lot clearer, and it just, I feel like it just made the set a whole lot cuter. So I'm just gonna let you watch me do that, and I will pop back in when needed. Here is where I get into putting my jelly coat on and where it really starts coming together. If you can kind of see on my other on my right pointer finger, it's like a little like a hint of yellow. That's from my last set, because the colored acrylics that I had put down, I didn't put a clear coat over my nail first, so it kind of like stained my nail yellow. But if you want to see me do this set, go ahead and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post that video, because I'm gonna post that video next. So stay tuned and go ahead and finish watching this video. But I just want to say thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, don't forget to hit the notification bell and look out for the video that I'll be posting after this. Thank you.